kanyang likhain, no, sabi niya, hindi marapat na ang tao ay nag-iisa. Nung makita niya si Aidan na malungkot, sabi niya, it was not good for a man to be alone. So that's why binigyan niya ng mate, binigyan niya ng kaparehas. And it was Eve. Lahat ng ginawa ng Diyos sa Genesis chapter 1 up to Genesis chapter 2, sabi niya, it was good. Sabi niya, walang matuwid sa harapan ng Diyos. Lahat gumagawa ng kasamaan. Lahat ng tao walang inisip kundi gumawa ng masama.
Praising His eternal name out loud, Jesus!
Championship game nga pala to, JM. At may kasama tayo. Tingnan yung kasama natin. Partida na, nadulas
I'm
pa yan.
feeling happy, and moments ago I was only empty. What did you slip me? My heart is
Ano yan?
racing.
Ilan game natin ngayon?
Isa lang.
Isa lang? Akala ko dalawa.
Na-cancel eh.
Must
Na-cancel.
be some complicated after effect of this. Will I wake up in your bed and regret everything I did? Like a hangover, but leave me needing one more fix. She said, shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way back second guessing. And I want you now, just shut your mouth and kiss me.
Mag-isip muna kami ngayon guys kasi yun kasi yung ano namin roles ngayon ng Bernice eh. Yun, nakakain na po ako ng yan, sangyup guys, first time ko to. Guys,
May multa pag nagkamay.
di ako marunong nito.
No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call?
Nabusog na talaga ako. Yun po guys. Pagkatapos ng 2 oras guys, kumain kami dito guys. Grabe, napakabusog ko dito sa aming sarili. Sayo sa akin, sayo. Naku! Nagaganon nga ako nung nagaganon nga ako nung. Nung parang iba, lagay natin bakal dito. Bowling kuya yung ginagano mo. Bowling, gano'n. Akala ko sa skating. Sa akin yung Dutch. Double Dutch. Double Dutch. Ay, pahingi ako ice cream.
So para may silbi yung training natin, all out pero kumaga short but sweet.
Guys, tapos na ensayo, ready na sa dayo.